postage spoon has come from one of my trusty contacts, so I have a feeling I know what it is. In here we have something new. It's the Krownland KL92. What's that I hear you say? So it's a CO2 blowback pistol. It comes in this hard case. The first time we're seeing this. So let's open it up and see what you get. So in the box, you get some relatively nice instructions. You get a speed loader with a metal press run thingy. You get your tool, and you get the pistol itself, which is nice and weighty. Feels like polymer grip, but just synthetic on these bits. But everything else is a nice metal structure. You got your high cap mag. I like it. It's the first time I've had a Krownland product, and a lot of my stuff has been Umarex until now, but this, I like it. I like the look and feel of it. Yeah, look forward to taking it out on the range. But that's it. Thanks, folks. Really soon. Cheers.